AI, C3ai stock analysis, Tuesday, 12th of August and onward. I'm breaking down whether this thing is a buy or not for me right now. Monday was not a great start. We went down 25% and I guess we have to move over from here. 16 bucks right now pre-market, nothing crazy. I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And this is why I loved my approach, where I'm just waiting for rules to be met in order for me to move forward. If I was looking to buy randomly, I would have never came here, you know? So currently, yeah, it's a bearish range. And sometimes these are the season, man. I mean, in order for the price to go up or down, it must, I mean, welcome to trading, it's going up and down, right? Now is this bearish season. And only if I start seeing the price break above $23.65 am I going to count this as potentially something bullish. Other than that, I'll just wait here, you know, bearish range. I mean, even with this amount of data, not enough for a sell. But if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated.